My youth, just go. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher, and me can't even read neither.
How will you say name?
Ageable.
Okay.
I don't mean to cut you. At your age, suppose them did still enlist people if you go in the army after them past 50, would you?
Yes, me don't go.
Why?
Me no feel say me couldn't make it. Me no feel say me couldn't make it. No, sir, me no feel say me couldn't make it at all.
You feel say every time test you know to be a soldier, you have pass the
Of
test?
course, me feel say me don't pass the test. Me show you something.
Enough of the young boy that pass the test, you go in the army, no firm and can work hard like you know.
Okay, listen me tell you something. Me broke 3 ribs year before last year. I'm go to doctor, they tell me say,
Hello?
they tell me say,
Yes, sir.
cheer me ribs break. And when them tell me say me should cheer me ribs, me sit down so. The doctor look at me and said to me say, sir, I'm telling you, you have number 7 and number 8 and number 9 ribs broke. And you sit there so look at me like me say them when me fit down. He said, what kind of medication? I said, I'm not taking medication. You 61 years old, that was last year. You 61 years old and not take me. So I not take medication, brother. I not take medication. Joel, I can tell you the truth. And I'm going to talk and I want the world to know. Say me a 162-year-old man.
You parking on the road.
We not take no medication.
Park on the grass.
Me no take medication. Me no feel. Me no have no reason to take medication.
No medication at all?
No, sir.
For nothing?
I mean, suppose, alright, see me hand cut over there. Me buy some Band-Aid and some alcohol and peroxide, right?
Yeah. You have to park a little better, them have to go by the next lane.
And
Just back up on the grass, man.
And then, if me feel, and then me take 2 Advil, fig ease the pain out of the hand. Me no buy Advil, me no take medication.
What?
Me no have no reason to take it, me no feel pain.
Oh yeah?
No, sir.
You don't feel pain?
No, I mean,
Me feel pain every day.
hold on, brother. Me I'm asking the dear Lord to keep me, if I am 10 more years, if me feel live so long. If feel just like me no feel no pain, me no feel no headache, me no feel nothing.
Wow.
There was something called Neem. Neem.
You don't feel no joint pain?
No, sir.
No knee pain?
No. No headache. 20/20 eyesight, same way. So me
Not wear glasses?
No, sir.
Plus a skirt.
No, sir.
You fit like figgle, man.
But if me not in fit, boy, I saw you go. Because me no have no problem. And me creep out same way.
We throw hot water pan here, guys, use knife and scrape him.
You know me a talk about you, go question me. Me creep out same way.
Just like when you're young.
Show have mercy. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus, for this. I'm talking about. Me no feel pain, brother. I hope it will never come.
That's a blessing, man.
I hope when the day come, God will give me the power and the grace and the courage to stand the pain. But right now, me no feel no pain. Me no feel no pain.
Me have a right knee here. And it hurt me for weeks now.
Drink Neem, man.
Name?
Neem.
What name, sir?
You don't have me yard, but see big tree walk up my yard, man. That make you poop in the mass and get out your system. And yam food. Quick, look at. Where, Joel? Look at. Where? Look for 60 feet away. Where? Me almost can't kiss me big toe. Where? Me almost can't kiss me big toe. Me toe,
Hey.
me foot over me steering now.
And anybody can do that. Not in them 60s or 30s and 40s.
Look at this.
Can't do that.
Look at the only thing you see this finger here so. I become me get the cut here so and
Yes.
But me still I work still there. Me still play my guitar same way.
Boy, that's a blessing, man.
So me have to share the blessing and name them one by one and tell the world what the Lord have done.
That's a blessing.
Listen, brother.
You have most people, you know. Most people by the as them touch 40, them have to start wear glasses, you know.
Brother,
Then them 50, 20 vision gone.
brother, let me tell you this right now. There are certain things in my lifetime where did happen. And me did feel like say things that go done. He never done. Me never know say he wouldn't done. How do we get gunshot? Me never know say me wouldn't survive. Me never know say me that survive. Me never know. Me just start, nobody care, I just walk it, bomb clot. Put work on that rat in and just, nobody put it on me, just yam food and look out for crepe. Simple. You see, that's what you see.
Yeah.
No woman no want a man to screw around upon them. Me no do that. No woman no want a man to come in dirty and gone in a bed without bed. Me no do that. Me not do that with myself or with nobody else. Or me by myself. A shower is like a plate of food to me.
Oh gosh, man. You know how sweet that is when you work, you feed there, go get a warm bath or a cold bath, man.
Let me tell you when shower sweet. You bathe in it and you go to your bed. And you know it's sun that you get up early in the morning and take a shower. Boy!
You feel brand new, you know?
Up behind the kid me want after that and jerk pork, boy.
And the king got jerk pork.
And that jerk pork and the water. We are, boy.
You know, say you feel like say you get some form of energy for work that day, them work through the day more than if you never do that
Some
though.
farm you get all kind of energy. Cause you feel refreshed and you know this evening as soon as I'm reaching me take another shower. I shower brother, sometimes me shower more.
The thing is this, I have to re-emphasize this. You're not no old man in the 80s, but you're a big man. And the way all you fit and you're not feeling no pain, it's a blessing, man, I tell you.
Somebody blood town woman in my country say, me no wash man clothes, you know. How me buy your food? How me buy your food for your yam? You don't wash man clothes. How me clean the floor for you? How me help you bake pudding? How me bake toto? How me help you bake cake? How me fix dinner for you? And you don't wash me clothes? Fuck you! Me wash my clothes still, but not tell me so you not wash my clothes.
And you will wash your clothes too.
Of course, oh Lord.
Some man no wash woman underwear and think it's a taboo.
Nothing sexy more, nothing sexy to a blood, to me, than to wash a woman panty.
Yeah?
What? Jobo. Wash the panty and something. You feel like you not have to sharp to be. Because done what you could become creep up that the fucking knock there. You crazy?
You feel the knife start sharp?
Your knife start sharp immediately. Your pencil gets nice and can write good in that blood clot book. And I picking it out of school, you know what time to creep your get out. You mean the crazy? That's how me feel.
Yes.
You see me now? Me not push woman under and me not push them over. Me just keep woman right there. At the level of the scale go. Yes, you must up to date, bro. That's why you call it up to date. Up to date. Bam. What wrong with that?
For real, man.
What wrong with that?
Keep it balanced, you know?
Me go on a party and she have to sit down in the house. Say, you want to go if you want to come a party with me, fine. If you want to big girl, want a baby shower, fine, go. Come here, want to go on that domino tournament. You know what the domino tournament, domino want the baby shower. Me trust if you got the baby shower. Trust we got the domino tournament too. What wrong with that?